In this video, I want to show you how to create projects in TerrSet LiberaGIS. So this is the shortcut of the software. Let's launch it. In the previous video, I've shown you how to install it and also introduction to this interface of this software. When you launch this software, this is how the interface looks like. So when you want to create a project, it's very unique. I must make a point here that TerrSet is quite different from other geospatial software like ArcGIS, QGIS, or EDAS Imaging. So the approach here is quite different. So to create a project means you are connecting to a working folder, more like a geodatabase, where all the result of your operations will be saved. So to create a project, come to this TerrSet Explorer. In case your own is not expanded, if it looks like this, just click on this plus sign to expand it. Then come under projects and right click at this empty space. Right click and you see new project. Click on new project. Then navigate to where you want to create the project. For instance, I want to create a project inside this tutorial folder. So I will click to expand the tutorial folder. So inside this tutorial folder, I will click on make new folder to create a folder where all my works will be saved. So click on it and let's name it example. So this is it. I've created it as example. So I will click on it. It has selected it and I'll click on OK. You can see example. It has been added as a project to the TerrSet Explorer. Now, how do I add data to this very project? I will have to show you something here. Let me go to this folder. This tutorial folder, I have a digital elevation model there. This is it, digital elevation model. So, and this is the folder we just created, example. So I want to add this them to this project I created. TerrSet GIS is not like ArcGIS or QGIS where you just load in your data directly. So let's go back to TerrSet. Now to add data to this very project we have created, just come to File and come to Import. Come to Government/Data Provider Formats. Come to TIF. That is this Geotiff/TIF. Click on it. Then here, Geotiff file name. Navigate to where you have your data. Click on it and click on Browse. So I have my data in this folder called tutorial, and this is the data, DEM, digital elevation model. I'll click on it and click on Open. Now it will ask me if I want to add that very particular folder as a resource folder. If I want to add it as a resource folder, I will do, such that I'll have a working folder and also a resource folder. A resource folder where all my data is saved, which cannot be edited, and my working folder, which is more like my geodatabase, where all my results will be saved. So I don't want it that way. I'll click on No. Now, when you load in data, automatically the software will save your product with the same name of the data. So I load in them and the result name will also be them. So and it will be saved in this project. And if you still want to confirm it, you can navigate directly to the folder and save it there. But automatically the software will save the result in your working folder. So just click on OK. You can see I can now close this. It has added my digital elevation model. Now come to File here, and you can see that it has connected to that very working folder created, example. So if I double click it, you can see the DEM, digital elevation model, and the original digital elevation model was .tif. Now for TerrSet, the extension is .rst. So that is why you cannot load TIF directly to the interface of this software. So you have to make it in the format that this software recognizes. So the software is interesting and a little bit different from what most people are used to. We'll be looking other aspects of the software in the subsequent video, but this is how to create projects in TerrSet and also how to bring in data into TerrSet. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.